Welcome back to your health circle, and I truly hope you and your loved ones are doing wonderful today. Now, what if I told you there's a natural way to get wrinkle-free, plumped, smooth, young-looking skin without any expensive creams or procedures? Well, stick with me because I'm about to share something incredible with you. But first, let me tell you something most people don't realize. Stress is silently aging your skin right now. All that daily stress we deal with triggers cortisol, and this stress hormone is literally breaking down your collagen. And collagen, that's what gives you that smooth, elastic, youthful skin we all want. So today, we're going to perform face tapping. This technique will slow down aging and reduce those wrinkles naturally. Here's what's happening beneath your skin. Your skin cells desperately need good circulation to heal and regenerate. Tapping stimulates that blood circulation, bringing more nutrition directly to your skin, which is directly linked to increased collagen production. But there's something even more fascinating happening from a neurophysiological perspective. As we tap throughout different areas, we're stimulating facial nerves. Those nerve impulses travel directly back to your brain, and then specific areas within your brain secrete hormones that increase collagen production. It's like giving your brain a wake-up call to make you look younger. Think about it. There are so many muscles throughout your face, and every single one has a nerve supply controlling it. As we stimulate these muscles, those nerves fire back and forth between your brain and facial area, helping secrete collagen. And here's what you're going to experience. When you finish, you'll feel tingling. You'll experience what's called hyperemia, which is increased blood supply and nutrition. Plus, the lymphatics will drain all those waste and toxins from the region. Your face will feel alive. All right, we're going to stimulate 6 key areas within the facial and neck region. Each exercise takes just 30 seconds. I'm going to do these exercises right alongside you so we can get these amazing results together. Use your second and third fingers on both hands. Our first area starts right between the eyebrows, which is called the third eye. We'll tap, 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 making our way up the middle of the forehead and out to the ears. Then come right back again. 30 seconds, let's go. Keep that nice tapping sensation. It should not hurt you. Continue to work your way up just like I'm doing out through the temples. And here's why we're moving outward, because we're draining the lymphatics, and they drain out in the outer area around the ear region. Beautiful work. Now our starting point is on the upper bridge of the nose on the inner part of the eyes. We'll come down underneath the orbit bone and the cheekbone up here as we make our way across to the ears. Let's start up here. Let's go. Good, nice, firm tapping. Get in there. Make your way down the bridge, underneath the eyes, right along that bone, below the eye orbit, all the way out to the ears. Just continue to repeat. You're doing fantastic. We're really getting a lot of hyperemia, a lot of stimulation. It's going to feel nice and soothing. You're going to feel so much tingling in there. Next area. Our starting point is on the outside of both nostrils. As we come out, we'll come underneath the zygomatic bone, the cheekbone right below here, and we'll come all the way out, making our way up to the ears. Let's go. Good. Right along that cheekbone, that lower part, all the way out to the ears. Nice tapping. Come on back. You're doing great. Just focus on stimulating. You can close your eyes if you like, but just keep stimulating those areas as we're cleansing the lymphatic tissue, getting those toxins and waste out of there while we're stimulating the brain and those facial nerves. This is so healthy for you. I know you're crushing it. Our starting point is right above the upper lip, right in the middle. We're going to tap right across to the jaw and come back. Let's go. This is going to stimulate all those areas above the lip region, increasing that blood supply. Good. You can keep it a little closer together. Go a little slower and keep tapping. A little slower. Keep it together so you don't move off too quick right across. We're affecting lots of really important nerves here. Many of you are going to feel some interesting sensations, lots of tingling. Now, our starting point is right in the middle below the lower lip. We're going to come down to the lower part of the jaw, then work our way outside along the jawline to the ear. Come back below the lower lip, down to the lower part of the chin to the jaw, and then make our way across the jaw to the ear. Let's go. This is really good. Lots of lymph nodes, lots of lymphatics under the jawline. It might feel a little funny here because it's more sensitive, there's more bone there. Good, right down to the lower part of the chin, right along the jaw area. As we stimulate these facial nerves, your brain is definitely going to be happy. And lastly, we'll come underneath the chin on both sides. We'll tap under the chin and make our way down the neck, but on the outside, not over the throat. Out here to the collarbone, right here. Once you get to the collarbone, we'll come on the outside of the collarbone, and then we'll tap above it and make our way back to the center. This is going to help cleanse that lymphatic region, which is so important. Come on, below right here on both sides of the chin, let's go. Keep your head nice and high. Make your way down on both sides of the neck. Come down to the collarbone, come out and tap your way all along that collarbone back to the center. Good, let's go back up here. Make our way nice and gentle here. It's a little fragile, as we know, the throat area. Down to the collarbone. Come all the way out here, best you can when you tap, and make our way back to center so we allow that area to drain into our system. Now listen, this technique may look too simple, but I can promise you something. If you do this every single day, you are going to reap incredible benefits. Your body will secrete more collagen to keep your skin much younger, wrinkle-free, and full of life. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below because I know there will be many, and I'd love to hear about your experience. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell from your Health Circle.